your baby.
Wow.
The perfect bite.
Hi, I'm Sade. Welcome to my life off-grid. Join me on a journey of culinary wildlife, nature-inspired music, and sailing my home to new adventures. This is the journey of Sun City. Welcome back to another episode. So happy you could join. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any weekly video. And this is a little special day that we had in the boat and make it all about food. From the flavors I have back home to the flavors the Caribbean provide. This is how the Caribbean and the Mediterranean collide. So we start off with some chickpeas. I put them in a pressure cooker, let that cook. And now we're making the flatbread, putting some water, flour, salt, oil, stirring that together, kneading the dough. It needs to be hydrated pretty good. You can flatten them out and cook them at the same time. After that, I cooked some eggs and I made some amba. The chickpeas were nice and soft, so I took them out. I put the water from the cooked chickpeas on the side. I seasoned the chickpeas and I used the water that I cooked the chickpeas in since it has a lot of flavor still in there. After blending it up and making it smooth and nice, I made 2 plates. I put some onion in the middle, some olive oil, I put an egg inside the bowl. I put some paprika on top and drizzled some of the amba on top. Amba is a fermented mango that I have in powder, and you need to put it with hot water to make it work. The day after, I went diving a little bit and I found this lobster underneath the boat, so I went ahead and caught him. Here's your baby. Small little baby. I also found a conch, so I opened him up. E.T. never saw anything like this, so he gave it a try. And he had some mixed feelings about it. No? I cut up the conch and I made it into strips that later on I'll make into smaller cubes. I put it in the pressure cooker with some water, a bay leaf, and some seasoning. While that cooks, I cut up some tomatoes and I put them in the pan. And as I said in the beginning of the episode, we're making this thing called shakshuka. This is pretty much diced tomatoes that render down into tomato sauce with caramelized onions, a little bit of garlic. And once that turns into a sauce, you put some fresh eggs in there and you eat that with a piece of bread. let them caramelize. After that, I put in the tomatoes. Let those render down pretty good. I felt like the conch is ready, so I gave it a taste. It was still a bit springy, but it was way better. There's room to improve, but I felt that was pretty good for the first try after what I've been learning from the locals in the Bahamas. The last time I cooked conch was in episode 7, and I learned how to properly cook the conch in episode 18 when I went fishing and foraging for conch with locals in the Bahamas. So I cut the conch into very small cubes to put inside of the sauce. I've also added a bit of the conch water to render down with the tomatoes. I put some chili flakes, paprika, and coriander seeds. I put some salt. And what the conch juice did was it brought a lot of flavor in there. The conch was very sweet and extremely seafoody taste, and I felt like it would bring this dish into another dimension. I brought the lobster, cut it in half, sent him to sleep. And watch how this thing is so fresh, it starts literally twitching around inside the pan. He's so twitchy. And the sauce looks absolutely beautiful. I put some eggs in there. I personally like to stir around the white part of the egg inside the sauce itself, just so it would cook faster and let the yellow part still be runny. And that's pretty much it. It's ready to eat. Lobster conch shakshuka.
Oh fuck.
Let's go. You can see here that I'm pretty much excited about this. Wow!
Okay. Voila. Whoa. Oh good. Oh shit. Wow. Exactly the taste that the bite I took.
Oh!
The texture is so fun.
Springy but nice. Wow! Wow! The perfect sight. Yep. Wow. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this episode. If you got this far, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any weekly videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.